The ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mchangwa announced that President Emmerson Mnangagwa rejected recommendations to beg party members based on unsubstantiated allegations. Sadamina vashoka tuna kuti panguva ino vivi Costa ndo chiwengaonekwa kunzi aiwa voita a win, vatuna kuti panguva ino zvionekwa kunzi the regime yamukonewa panapa tichiona vachirijusa zvirango kana kufaiwa kuma-allies aVP Costa Chiwenga. Sadamina vashoka budanyirwa panapa subscribe or like on the bell icon. Team now Zim this decision is widely interpreted as a political win for Vice President Costa Chiwenga, whose allies have been under scrutiny amid escalating factional tensions within the party. The internal dispute primarily revolves around Mnangagwa's alleged ambitions to extend his presidency beyond the constitutionally mandated term, a move opposed by Chiwenga and his supporters. The president's refusal to endorse the begging of party members is seen as a setback for those within ZANU-PF seeking to marginalize Chiwenga's faction. Reports indicate that Chiwenga has become a prime target of Mnangagwa's loyalists who accuse him of resisting the ZANU-PF 2024 annual conference resolution that seeks to extend Mnangagwa's presidency until 2030. Despite these tensions, Mnangagwa's recent actions suggest a reluctance to deepen internal divisions, possibly to maintain party cohesion ahead of future electoral contests. The rejection of PEG recommendations by President Mnangagwa, as announced by Mchangwa, marks a notable moment in the ongoing power dynamics within ZANU-PF. While it temporarily alleviates pressure on VP Chiwenga and his allies, the underlying factional disputes remain unresolved, signaling continued political maneuvering as the party approaches its next elective congress. Domashka kudanyuka panguva ino patino kuti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika aiwa achirijusa awa zvirango pane maloyalists aVP Costa Chiwenga. Number one people they are seeing is kuti aiwa VP aiwa vanenge vari kuita a win, and at the same time tikuona kuti panapa tinoti kune vamwe vakomana vanosapota 2030 vanokonzwa vanenge vaida kukonzeresa mariefs and the likes. Panguva ino vanova disappointed vachiona mutungamiri wenyika aiwa achiti aiwa vasiyei panapa ZANU-PF ibato remunhu wese. Pinda comment section medu muzofungura enyu matudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.